do something like this. Let's go. So she hasn't been started in about 2 weeks, so let's see if she fires up. Come on, Gil. So she starts up, she drives. We are literally ready to go for an MOT unless something mad pulls up on the drive to the MOT. The only thing, 2 things that I'm aware of that we actually need to do, or 3, maybe 4, is one, we need to put the new dash in. Obviously we've done this just so we can get this done, get it gone, get it out of the way, and then obviously at a later date put the dash in. But 2, the wiring for the headlight, it's not amazing, it's just enough to get us by so the lights work. So we could do with chopping that out, re-crimping it, splicing it and making it look all good. Wheel arch liners, I think I need a wheel arch liner for the right hand side because you can pretty much see from the headlight to the wheel, so I need to get that done. And then obviously secondly, well lastly but not least, that colour is different to the rest of the car, which obviously I'm not too happy about because this is the biggest thing. So now I've just got to wait until I've got enough money to get this car sprayed, because I can't try and sell it like this because it's not going to work. But the only thing is, getting car sprayed is expensive. And yeah, I just think this has been another, this is exactly what I said I wasn't going to do in the last one, and I've bought a car, spent forever doing it up, and just feeling like lost and disheartened. Like genuinely, I've been thinking, what am I doing? Like I don't actually, when I work on this car I do enjoy it, but the money side of it puts me off. Like when we're working towards something, we want it to be going like this. I genuinely feel like I have a big spike and I go, oh my god, I've bought this car, I'm excited. And then eventually when you've ordered that many bits for a car and you're literally like, I've spent more than what this car's worth. Like genuinely, I haven't even drove this car properly on the road yet, and I've lost money even though I've been trying to do it up as best I possibly can and trying not to cut corners, like, and it's just so disheartening that I'm like, oh, this is what I enjoy doing, this is what I want to succeed as something. I'm not saying, yeah, I want 1 million followers and I want to earn like £1,000 a month off it. I'm just saying, like, I want to see progression, and obviously I'm not going to get that with like me doing my next video, for example. It'll probably cost me like MOT, painting, all that kind of stuff, say £1,000, and like the car's not worth that anymore, because the car's not worth, I thought the car would be worth like 9-10 grand, and I think with the mileage and that, I think I'll be lucky if I get like 8 for it. And obviously I'm over 8-9 grand now, and I still need to get it painted. And it's just like, I'm a realist, I'm not one to set the piss and think, yeah, I'm going to get 15 grand for it, and because I'm not. But I just don't know what to do next. Like, if you follow me on Instagram and whatever, I just like, I don't post anything anymore because I'm just like fed up. Like, I'm not doing what I want to do, but I don't know what else to do. Do you know what I mean? Like, if I'm not doing what I want to do, I just stop, and that's why like you don't see regular videos off me, because I'm just tired of it all, if that makes sense. I was even thinking like, do I sell my motorbike to get the car painted, to then sell the car, to then buy a cheap motorbike? And do I get like silly stuff like MGs and Audi TTs and 1 Series, get like a cheap 1 Series for like £500, £1,000, and just do it? But the only thing is, I just like, will it work? A trading series, like a lot of people do trading series where there's very little damage or issues with the car, and then they flip really quick. The only problem with me, I've never ever made money on something. I've never bought a car or an item or anything. I don't know if I'm cursed or I'm just thinking it wrong, but I'm just like what's it like to buy a car and sell it and make money? Like, I genuinely don't know. And like, I've had so many cars now, and every single one, apart from the Megane, because obviously I enjoyed doing that for me, but then I sold it. But Teg, waste. Audi S1, waste. This, like, I would like to drive this and not have it, but the money's better off in my bank doing other things rather than having a Mini, if that makes sense. It takes me 10 minutes to get to work, and it costs me £6 a week to fill up, so why would I have like a £8,000 Mini? Do you know what I mean? So I don't know. If any of you come up with any ideas on what you think, like, genuinely, like, I really thought like this was going to be the end of me, and I don't know what to do next. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want to enjoy something, and I want to spend time on something that I actually feel like something's going to work. Like, the channel is hurting really bad. Like I feel like the views and all that, because obviously if I'm not feeling it and you're watching this, you're obviously not going to feel it, because you're like, why am I watching this guy? But unfortunately I'm a real person with a real bank, with being a dad and trying to be a husband and trying to fix a car, and it's really difficult, man. Like I didn't think getting older would be this hard, but it's so hard to fit everything in, like so yeah, the car runs and it seems to be up to temp, so hopefully we get an MOT this week and get it driving, all the parking sensors work, all that kind of jazz. The headliner, yeah boy, oi, oi. Can't wait to drive it through a tunnel and have that open, man. So yeah, if anyone knows or has any ideas, please let me know. I was thinking about doing a motorbike build and see if I could do like from a Grom to like a BMW M1000RR, or do a Mini to like Audi TT and then let's go and get a GTR or something. But I don't know, I feel just a bit lost at the minute, and I feel sorry for myself kind of thing. So yeah, if anyone has any ideas, please comment down below, because I do really appreciate it.